It was a record performance in the US overnight, with President Trump tweeting the Dow just hit 27,000 points for the first time ever. It was Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's second day of congressional testimony, and he really emphasized the economic risks. The market took that as a signal that an interest rate cut is likely this month in the US. Australian shares are trading down lower, down by 0.4%, but we are seeing all-time record highs for some stocks in the tech space. We're seeing WiseTech as well as Appen hitting all-time record highs, and IDP Education also doing well on the market. But there's been rate cuts which have been powering along the markets, or the possibility of rate cuts, and the market has gone from pricing in a greater chance of a 50 basis point cut in the month of July for the US. It's gone from pricing in a 3% chance to an 18% chance for a 50 basis point cut at the end of the month. And those chances are for this week. So watching those interest rate expectations and the economic data which feeds into that. Today we'll see the China numbers for June in terms of trade, the export numbers in particularly being watched to see if there's an impact from the trade war that's happening between the US and China at the moment. And then on Monday we will see the China GDP numbers, as well as a raft of numbers including industrial production and retail sales. Given our big miners BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto are trading near all-time record highs, that data will be important for the mining sector. On Thursday next week, it will be domestic jobs for June. Previously, we saw just over 42,000 jobs being added in the Australian economy, with an unemployment rate of 5.2%. These numbers will be closely watched as they'll feed into interest rate expectations here domestically, with a weak number likely to spur on hopes of another interest rate cut here in Australia. So all in all, the Aussie share market pretty close to all-time record highs, but trading weaker today.